An auto insurance policy may seem to be written with unfamiliar terminology and complicated clauses. It can seem to be so confusing at times. The most important terms used by insurance agents will be defined for you in this article. Your car insurance choices will be smarter ones when you are clear on all of the language involved. It's no surprise that your premiums will be higher than somebody who has a clean record, but it's best to look into each company, as all insurance companies have different ways of rating drivers. There are even insurance companies out there that focus on drivers with imperfect records. Educate yourself on basic insurance terminology and coverage before shopping for a policy. Each state has their own individual requirements, however, most of the more basic components of insurance policies are the same. By doing some basic homework, you will be better prepared to buy a policy with appropriate coverage. Do some quick research on your prospective insurance company's reputation. When shopping for a car insurance policy, it is important to consider other factors in addition to the cost of the premiums. It's common for insurers to offer low rates because they engage in underhanded schemes to weasel out of paying when you get in an accident. Be sure that everything noted on your car insurance policy is correct. When you make sure things are accurate, you can save money and avoid claim denials. Does your policy list the correct home address? Is the type of vehicle, its make and year all correct? Your yearly mileage plays a big part in determining your rate, so if you don't drive much, make sure that is reflected in your policy information. Unless a claim is above $25,000, avoid filing costly lawsuits with attorneys. Focus on reaching an agreement for your settlement with the adjuster. An attorney is usually more hassle than they are worth. If you want to buy aftermarket parts or decorations for your car, ask your agent about the insurance consequences. Investing in expensive rims that cost you $1,000 but only add $30 in value to your vehicle will add up to a big loss if the vehicle is stolen because you won't recover the difference. Before you buy a car, you should research the insurance rates on the vehicle you are considering. Ask your insurance agent to tell you which cars will get the best rates. This should help you choose your next vehicle, whether it's new or used. If you choose a vehicle that has been rated safe, you may save a lot of money on your insurance premium. Write down a list of each discount your insurance company offers. Go through that list and put a check mark next to any that apply to you. You can save a lot of money once you total up all the discounts for which you are eligible. The majority of people think car insurance rates for young drivers will drastically decrease as soon as they turn 25. The truth is that they start to decrease once they reach 18 as long as the driver is responsible and drives safely. It is important to obtain an insurance policy that protects you against uninsured drivers. This can really increase the price you pay, so think twice. This way, you are protected in the event that an uninsured driver damages your car. A high percentage of daylight accidents involve elderly drivers. This could be problematic as insurance rates will rise and it may prove difficult to find insurance coverage quickly. Avoid getting any infractions on your driver's license. Moving violations and traffic accidents will result in dramatically higher insurance premiums. Traffic classes are a good way to remove points from your license, which can help lower your premiums. The type of car or truck you purchase is going to play a big role in how much money you pay for insurance every month. A luxury car or sports car may suit your personality, but the resulting insurance cost may not be to your taste at all. Choose something nice, safe and reliable over a flashier option to save big on insurance bills. If you're moving, it's a smart idea to look into car insurance rates in the areas you're considering. The accident and theft rate of an area generally determine the insurance rates. Usually suburbs and rural areas will have lower rates than big cities. Take time to list your car's safety features in order to get the cheapest insurance rate for your car. Safety features, like security alarms, help reduce the number of claims made, and companies often offer discounts for having them in your vehicle. Whether your car is old or new, specifically list each safety feature. You may be surprised how much it can save you. Inform your insurance agent of comparable rates from other companies. Your current carrier will often be willing to make your rate competitive in order to keep your business. If you want to continue to have affordable car insurance, don't let your coverage lapse. Going from one carrier to another or from one policy to another, you can easily create gaps in your coverage. Once the insurance company finds out about the gaps, they will raise your rates. Hopefully, this article was able to help you through the maze of auto insurance and to give you confidence when making choices. Knowing what your choices are is a good way to gain confidence in making the right decisions. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.